Welcome to Share It Math. Today our question is x square root x which is equal to 27. Find out x. So our solution is, if we take x square root of x which is equal to 27. Now take both sides squaring. So squaring both sides means x square and square root of x square, which is and equal to 27 square, means a b both have square, means a to the power m and b to the power m. So this means that x square and x which is equal to 27 square. If both have same base, b to the power m and a to the power m, which is equal to a both power added. So we take both power add, means x 2 plus 1 equal to 27, which is equal to 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power of 3 square, x to the power of 3. 3 if a to the power of b to the power of m, means a to the power m and power of b. If power 3 means 3 to the power of 2, so take cube root. This means that x to the power of 3, 3 2s are 9, whole power of 3. If powers same, mean bases are same. This implies that x is equal to 9 as 3 equal to 3. So let's verify this. Let's verify to the main equation where x is equal to 9. So put in above equation. If we put in above equation 9 square root of 9, which is equal to 27. 9 square root of 9, 3 square, which is equal to 27. Eliminate this term. 9 into 3, which is equal to 27. 27 which is equal to 27 means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proof.